विराट कोहली के सेंचुरी के इंतजार में सदियां बीत गई।
Hey there folks and welcome to Cricket Scrapbook. My name is Rahul Minocha and you are watching Scrapbook of Memes. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay up to date with the latest videos. In this episode of Scrapbook of Memes, we take a look at some of the best memes floating around the internet while the third test between India and England was taking place at Motera at the newly named Shri Narendra Modi Stadium. Well, as we all know, this match was a pink ball test, and boy, was this match spectacular. I don't think I've seen a more fast-paced test match than this. I'm sure there must have existed more test matches like this, but for me, this was a test match hiding behind the facade of a T20 game. It was so fast-paced, I couldn't believe what was happening. I mean, before I blinked my eyes, the test match was sort of already over. I could not comprehend what just happened. But Akshar Patel was the star of this match. Undoubtedly got the man of the match. ये इस गांव का हीरो ही नहीं विलेन भी है. विलेन क्या सपोर्टिंग कैरेक्टर सब कुछ अक्षर पटेल है. 11 wickets in this test match. Started off by the first wicket that he took in his very first ball in this match. I mean, are you kidding me? पहले बॉल पे ही विकेट. That was splendid. Akshar Patel is really making a name for himself. He ended the first innings by taking 6 for 38. Boy, this man must be thinking Test cricket is a piece of cake right now. 6 for 38 in the first innings, and then he took 5 wickets in the second innings as well, and ended up taking 11 wickets overall in this match. Overall, I think in 2 matches he has taken 18 wickets at a strike rate of 25 balls per wicket and an average of 9.44 per wicket. That is just mind-blowing. I don't know. I mean, ये कहाँ छुप के बैठा था? He's a good replacement for Jadeja, at least with the ball. Batting से कुछ नहीं किया है, but with the ball at least, very Jadeja-like and doing exactly what I think a Jadeja would have done. Probably because of the particular venues we are playing at, probably he's doing it slightly better because he's more suited for this type of pitch, which requires fast and line and length bowling, which I think Akshar is doing really well. And Rohit Sharma was the Bahubali of this match. जब और कोई बैटिंग नहीं कर पा रहा था, रोहित शर्मा is showing the way, and he literally carried that Shivlink on his back almost. He did it single-handedly. He scored 66 runs out of 130 odd that India scored in the first innings. He scored 66 runs himself, and even the second innings when he was chasing down 49, he scored 26 and ended the match with a 6. So that was brilliant. Rohit Sharma literally was the Bahubali of this particular match. And another Lagan quote. I mean, whenever India and England play, Lagan memes and Lagan quotes are bound to come. And धजिया उड़ा दो इन फिरंगियों की, and धजिया उड़ा दिया. At one stage, इंग्लैंड को पहले तो 112 में ऑल आउट किया, फिर 81 में ऑल आउट किया. इंग्लैंड की तो धजिया उड़ा दी. इन द प्रोसेस हम लोग की फर्स्ट इनिंग में खुद धजिया उड़ गई थी, बट इंग्लैंड की धजिया उड़ा दी. एंड मेहमान भगवान समान होता है, बट व्हेन द वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप इज ऑन द लाइन एंड व्हेन द भगवान समान पर्सन हैज डिफीटेड अस इन द वेरी फर्स्ट टेस्ट मैच, तब आप भगवान हो या जो भी हो, आप यहाँ पे आए हो, आप हार के जाओगे. हमको वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप के लिए क्वालिफाई करना है, एंड इफ यू स्टैंड इन आवर वे, I'm sorry, it's your loss. You're going to have to face us on turning tracks, and sadly, you're going to have to lose. There's no other way. This is the way. Mandalorian reference. एक एक करके अश्विन और अक्षर पटेल ने बैट्समैन को आउट किया. It was like a shootout going on. More than a shootout, it was like in medieval times जब एक करके ये लोग people used to take them और फांसी पे चढ़ाते थे. एकदम वैसा लग रहा था. पायरेट्स ऑफ द कैरेबियन वाला सीन लग रहा था. where one by one people were being lined up and were taken to be hanged, and एक के बाद एक batsmen are just falling down and they're just becoming victims of Akshar and Ashwin. Ashwin, by the way, became a bowler to get 400 test wickets. In this match, he ended up taking his 401st test wicket, which is brilliant. In this match, Ishant ka 100th match hua, and Ishant ended up hitting a 6 in this match. I know this is not part of the memes that I've selected for this particular video, but Ishant hit a 6. I told you ना, पिछले वीडियो में जाके देखो, I told you, शर्मा जी के लड़के कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. Literally कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. And fast bowlers का यहाँ पे, if you can't see properly, this is a round table of fast bowlers literally sitting down and playing cards, because इनका तो इस मैच में कोई जरूरत ही नहीं था. India से, I think, out of the 20 wickets that India took, only 1 wicket was taken by Ishant Sharma. Jasprit Bumrah, like, he wasn't even bowled enough probably, and 19 wickets were taken by spin. And even when England took 10 wickets, 5 wickets were taken by Joe Root and 4 wickets were taken by the other spinner Leach. तो इंग्लैंड के सीमर्स को भी कोई काम नहीं मिला एंड इंडिया के सीमर्स को भी कोई काम नहीं मिला. चलो, एटलीस्ट ईशान शर्मा हिट अ 6, शर्मा जी का लड़का. अगेन फास्ट बॉलर्स नॉन परफॉर्मिंग एसेट ही बन के बैठे रहे. व्हाट इज इंटरेस्टिंग इज दैट जसप्रीत बुमराह टोल्ड विराट कोहली ड्यूरिंग द मैच समवेयर दैट उसका वर्कलोड मैनेजमेंट हो गया इवन दो ही वाज प्लेइंग द मैच. So generally fast bowlers को रेस्ट करते हैं every alternate game or after every 2 or 3 games so that उन लोग को इंजरी ना हो. So जसप्रीत बुमराह का वर्कलोड मैनेजमेंट हो गया. He was rested even though he was playing, which I think is brilliant. Also 2-day match है, right? 2 दिन में मैच खत्म हो गया तो what else is going to happen? कोई ना कोई तो was going to be underbowled. हाँ, जब इंडिया 36 पे ऑल आउट हो गया तो ये इंडिया की गलती है. अब जब तुम 81 पे ऑल आउट हो गए, suddenly blaming the pitch, this again and again blaming the pitch drama. I don't get it, because at the post-match press conference, Murali Kartik pointed out, like directly he pointed out that 21 of the 30 wickets that were taken were out to the ball that wasn't turning. So the ball that was turning took less number of wickets than the ball that wasn't turning. So batsmen don't have anyone to blame. They got out on straight deliveries. Probably 1 or 2 balls out of the 6 balls in every over was turning. None of the others were turning, and batsmen simply got out because of, say, poor mindset and not enough determination and grit, I would say. Imagine उन लोग का क्या जिन लोग ने थर्ड डे के टिकट्स लिए थे. थर्ड डे के वालों का तो मैच शुरू होने से पहले खत्म हो गया. ये तो छोड़ो, इमेजिन जिन लोगों ने 3rd, 4th और 5th डे का लिया था, उनका एक्सप्रेशन तो बैड से वर्स हो गया होगा. And I'm so lucky that I wasn't in Motera right now and I did not take tickets for this match, because मेरे तो पैसे एकदम वेस्ट होने वाले थे. मतलब चूना लग गया. England team before the test and 2 days into the test. Before the test, in the last test, they rested Anderson and they rested Jofra Archer so that they can have a full-fledged pace bowling attack when they come and play the pink ball test. Now, they probably prepared a test. They probably prepared a team which is fit for a pink ball test, but it wasn't fit for a pink ball test given the pitch they were playing at. This pitch was turning. This pitch wasn't seaming or swinging. तो इनके फास्ट बॉलर्स तो वेस्ट हो गए. तो जितना इन लोग का प्रेपरेशन होके आया था एंड जितना इन लोग ने प्लेयर्स को पहले से रेस्ट करके रखा था एंड all that rotation policy and the drama that they built up was for nothing. एकदम ही मतलब धागा खोल दिया इन लोग का. ये होएगा मालूम था, लेकिन इतने जल्दी होएगा ये नहीं मालूम था. इंग्लैंड का पता था that India had the upper hand and England was probably going to lose, but 2 days did not even go into the 3rd day. Matches 3 दिन में खत्म होता है, then we call it a dud कि there was no competition. Match 2 दिन में खत्म हुआ and India won by 10 wickets. India won by 10 wickets, which according to the point system, जब rankings calculate होता है, not the World Test Championship, जब ranking calculate होता है, that is equivalent to an innings win. India won by 10 wickets. So there was no competition. और मतलब I shouldn't be using the words like this, लेकिन I'm not sure England का मतलब probably I would say that they have no answers. I won't go and use worse words right now, but they have no answers against what is happening to them. And this is, honestly speaking, this is a little concerning. It would be a little concerning if I was an English fan. Luckily, I'm not a British fan, but this England team really needs to learn how to play on turning tracks. You can't keep blaming the pitch again and again. If you blamed it once, by the next match, you should have solutions for it. Don't go and blame the situation. Do something to improve your situation. And paid vacation मिल गया इनको तो पहले से ही agreement हो गया थी शायद. Jokes aside, लेकिन 2 दिन में मैच खत्म होना थोड़ा तो बुरा लगता है. जितना भी हम लोग मजाक उड़ाए, थोड़ा तो बुरा लगता है एज क्रिकेट फैंस कि टेस्ट मैच के ये दिन आ गए हैं कि 2 दिन में मैचेस खत्म हो रहे हैं, तो थोड़ा बुरा लगता है. And considering the World Test Championship final is going to happen in England, and not most likely, England can not qualify from now on. But फिर भी England is going to prepare a pitch which is as green as this, because if India qualifies, we are going to play New Zealand, and New Zealand can make full use and take full advantage of a green pitch with their seam bowlers and swing bowlers. They have Kyle Jamieson, Trent Bolt, Tim Southee, and they can wreak havoc. And India must now be prepared for this. Jitna bhi we have defended the Indian policy of preparing ramp turners, now we totally must be prepared to play the final on a green track like this. And since I've already mentioned the World Test Championship final, here's a look at the rankings. India is currently number 1. So basically, India just has to ensure we do not lose the next match. If we lose the next match, we won't qualify. A draw or a win would guarantee our place. Ideally, we want to go for a win and not for a draw. But even if it's a draw, even if we don't lose, we are safe and we will qualify for the World Test Championship. So, this match again, it has me out of words, and I would just at this point like to ask you for your opinions and like to know what you think about the match that just took place. What do you think was the reason behind the match getting over in 2 days? Are you like the British media blaming the pitch? Are you blaming the pink ball? Are you blaming just poor batting? What are the reasons according to you? Please drop them in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts. Also, if you want your memes featured like the meme that I featured in this video, you can always put the hashtag scrapbook of memes and use it on Instagram and post your memes so that your meme gets a better chance of being featured in our particular videos. With that being said, please like the video guys, show some love.